welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern minimalist backyard oasis featuring a sleek, two-story contemporary home with large glass windows and a mix of natural materials like wood and stone. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, including neatly trimmed hedges and decorative trees. Soft, neutral tones predominate the architecture, accented by the warm natural wood of the overhang. The outdoor space includes comfortable, minimalist furniture, highlighting a pair of elegant lounge chairs placed on a stone patio, complemented by a manicured lawn with geometric stepping stones leading to the entrance. A modern garden scene featuring a contemporary home with large glass walls, blending indoors and outdoors. The setting showcases an inviting patio area furnished with a plush sectional sofa, accent cushions, and cozy poofs. A pathway of concrete stepping stones leads through a lush green lawn, bordered by neatly arranged succulent plants and decorative pebbles. Soft, warm lighting from overhead fixtures creates a welcoming ambience during dusk. The color palette includes earthy tones of gray, green, and warm browns, complemented by the vibrant green of the grass and the subtle blues of the garden plants. Cozy modern garden scene featuring a lush, green lawn with vibrant orange flowers scattered throughout. A neat stone pathway leads to an inviting, glass-walled living room bathed in soft, natural light. The interior is designed with minimalist, contemporary furniture, showcasing warm earth tones and wooden accents. A large tree stands to the left, casting gentle dappled shadows across the space. The setting exudes a tranquil, harmonious atmosphere, blending nature with modern living. A modern, luxurious house set in a lush tropical garden, featuring a striking vertical waterfall cascading down a textured stone wall. The architecture showcases sleek lines and large glass windows, allowing natural light to pour into the interior spaces. The facade is adorned with vibrant green plants and ferns, integrating nature seamlessly into the design. The color palette includes deep greens, rich browns, and hints of warm wood tones on the deck and outdoor furniture. Surrounding the house, a tranquil pond dotted with floating lily pads reflects the greenery. A serene backyard scene featuring a charming treehouse elevated above lush green grass. The treehouse, built of rich, warm wood, boasts large windows with flower boxes overflowing with vibrant geraniums. A wooden deck leads to a cozy hammock, surrounded by verdant foliage and tropical plants. The setting is bathed in soft golden light, indicating early morning or late afternoon. The colors are a harmonious blend of deep greens, earthy browns, and splashes of floral reds and yellows. Modern luxury home interior with an open-air design, featuring a serene pool surrounded by wooden decking and tropical greenery. The setting is framed by large glass walls, allowing natural light to fill the space. The color palette includes includes earthy tones, soft beiges, and dark wood accents, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Outdoor lounge chairs are positioned next to the pool, with a small table nearby. Inside, a cozy bedroom is visible, adorned with minimalistic decor. Modern Zen garden featuring a lush, tranquil atmosphere, designed in a hyper-realistic style. The scene includes a smooth wooden deck with minimalistic white outdoor furniture, surrounded by elegantly arranged natural stones and vibrant green grass. A variety of plants, including leafy tropical species and sculptural succulents, create rich textures and layers. Large windows of a contemporary house provide a seamless view into the indoor space, filled with soft lighting and neutral tones. A small water feature adds a calming sound, with a round lantern glowing softly in the background. A modern, eco-friendly home surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a two-story structure with expansive glass walls and wooden accents. The lower level boasts a spacious outdoor patio with comfortable seating and a coffee table, seamlessly blending with the natural environment. A tranquil water feature cascades into a pond, embellished with vibrant aquatic plants, while rich, dark greens and earthy browns dominate the color palette. This serene setting is illuminated by soft, warm lighting that enhances the inviting atmosphere, evoking a hyper-realistic style that celebrates the harmony between architecture and nature. Modern outdoor kitchen and dining area seamlessly integrated into a lush garden setting, featuring sleek glass walls and warm wooden tones. The space includes an elegant grill station, polished counters, and minimalist cabinetry. In the foreground, a rustic wooden dining table surrounded by black metal chairs is set against vibrant flower beds with pops of red, yellow, and green. The garden path consists of smooth rocks and white gravel, leading toward a cozy fire pit nestled in a small seating area. The lighting is soft and inviting, evoking a warm, relaxed evening atmosphere. A serene outdoor patio scene with a wooden pergola draped in lush green vines. The setting features a well-maintained garden with vibrant foliage, including hostas and other ornamental plants, set against smooth stone pathways. Soft ambient lighting illuminates the area gently, creating an inviting atmosphere. The background reveals large glass windows of a cozy indoor space, reflecting warm indoor light. The color palette includes rich greens, earthy browns, and soft grays, evoking a tranquil, nature-inspired feel. Modern architectural oasis surrounded by lush greenery, blending indoor and outdoor spaces, hyper-realistic style. The exterior features a striking combination of natural wood and sleek dark stone, complemented by a vertical garden cascading down the facade with various shades of green. A tranquil water feature flows gently, creating a serene atmosphere. The scene includes a well-manicured lawn, dotted with ornamental plants and stepping stones leading towards the inviting open space filled with cozy wooden furniture. A serene backyard scene featuring a modern, glass-walled home surrounded by lush greenery. The focus is on a tranquil water feature with gentle waterfalls flowing into a pebble-strewn stream, illuminated by soft, warm lighting. The decking is made of rich, dark wood, seamlessly integrating with the environment.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.